Hello everyone, my name is Charles Warburton and I wanted to bring you a video to help you prepare for your final exam in Math 151. So the common final exam will be 25 problems, and the 25 problems will cover topics that are mentioned in the final exam review document that is over on the left hand side of your page. So from those 25 questions, you can see the first 8 deal with vocabulary, and there's different topics within the vocabulary section, and they're listed for you. And then problems 9 through 11 deal with frequency tables and graph shapes. 12 through 16 deal with the data's center and spread. 17 to 23 deal with probability and the normal curve. And then finally, the last 2 problems deal with scatter plot and regression lines. That's problems 24 and 25. So in this study guide that you have over here on the left-hand side, what I have is I have the topics that are listed out for you, but I also have this this numbering system here, and you can see that I circle it, and this, by each topic, these numbers, what they do is they're going to help you prepare for your final exam. And so how these numbers are going to help you prepare for your final exam is in your Blackboard shell. When you get to, in Blackboard, when you go to My Lab Statistics, what we're going to do is we're going to go to something called the study plan. And the study plan is going to make very good use of this, this numbering system that I have over here. So for example, if you wanted to get studied up on vocabulary and know the difference between quantitative and qualitative variables, then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the study plan and we're going to look at 1.2.9. 1.2.9, and the first one, I don't know if you can see it, but I kind of covered up. It was 1.1.41 was the first one, but the second one's a little bit more, it's a little bit easier to read. So 1.2.9, what that means is when I go to Blackboard and let me back out of here and we'll do it by scratch. When I go to Blackboard and I go to my course, my Math 151 course, and I want to prepare for my final exam, I'm in Blackboard, I'm in my course shell. On the left hand side here on the ribbon, you can see My Lab Statistics. You go to My Lab Statistics, and what I'm looking for is the study plan. So if you scroll down a little bit, there should be something called study plan in here. There's the homework, there's the quizzes, there's the test. That's what I'm looking for right there, the study plan. I'll go ahead and click that. And when I go and I prepare for my final exam, which is going to be on My Lab's Statistics, I can do that. I can study using the study plan, and once you're in the study plan, go ahead and click on all chapters. And when you're in all chapters, that will bring up the different chapters in the textbook. And for example, if you wanted to look at 1.2.9, then you could go to chapter 1. What was it? 1.2, chapter 1, section 2. That's data classification. And then look and see if you can find 1.2.9. And there it is, 1.2.9. And I can click on it. And the nice thing is it will have all kinds of helps to help me know how to do this problem. Over on the right hand side, question help. If you click on that, you got a video, you got a textbook, you got some StatCrunch stuff. So there's all kinds of helps that will help you do that. And I think if you get to other problems, like let's try another one here. Let's try maybe like 5.1.39. 5.1.39. What does that mean? That means in my study plan, I go to Chapter 5, Section 1, and then problem number 39. It'll be labeled 5.1.39. So if I want to practice up on that, then I can do it. I can go back to my lab statistics. I can go back to the study plan. And I can go to, I'm sure there probably was a better way to go back, but Chapter 5, Section 1, there it is, Chapter 5, Section 1, what was it, 5.1, Chapter 5, Section 1, number 39. So then I look for 5.1.39, and there it is. I can click on that, and it will have, again, it will have helps that you need. Let's see what kind of help this one has. So over here on the right hand side, we got question help. This one has a help me solve this, a viewed example, and a textbook. So, and even a connect to the tutor. So if you go to the study plan and follow kind of the numbering system that I try to help everyone out with, then that should prepare you well for this final exam. So this final exam will have, as you can see, 25 problems, and then there you have the different topics that are listed that will be tested on the final exam. And probably more importantly, alongside of those topics, you have this numbering system, and that numbering system is to be used in the MyLab Statistics study plan. And once you're in the study plan, you can go to the chapter, section, and then problem number. All right. Good luck on the final. Hope everyone stays safe and has a good summer.